One of the most important things we do in our consulting practice is help our clients improve or, in some cases, redesign their customer experience. And the first step that we take in helping them do that is to understand the current experience. It would be really, really difficult to figure out how to improve it until we understand what's occurring today for customers. There's a lot that goes into this step, but two of the most important things is obviously understanding the quantitative performance on loyalty drivers. So we want to know, relative to competition, are we as reliable? Do customers see us as on time? Whatever those more quantitative attributes are in terms of what customers expect. But the second one is qualitative. We want to know if we're going to create an experience that is really powerful, that maybe drives innovation in the category, we have to go deeper than the quantitative research to understand what's the emotional needs of this customer segment. What are big dissatisfiers that a customer might not say in a focus group or answer on a survey, but if you really figured it out, you'd really have a powerful brand experience. Build-A-Bear Workshop is a great example. Maxine Clark and her team there understand that in that 2,900 square feet of space in a mall, what they're really doing is creating an emotional experience where an 8 or 9-year-old, a girl or boy, is able to bring their best friend to life. That's a very different business than just being a world-class retailer. That's creating something really important. The next thing we want to do is really define the brand platform. There's lots of things you can do to improve an experience. I'll tell you, in our many years of doing this, there's no shortage of great ideas, and honestly, they're amazing. The problem is not all of them really build the brand. So we wanted to find the brand platform and create an experience theme that is this combination of cues and activities and interactions that in terms of sensory, in terms of people behaviors, in terms of functional steps, really reinforce what we're trying to create as a company in the minds of our customers. One of the things we do in this practice is to make sure we create what we call very specific service blueprints. And this is the translation from the wall chart with the ideas into what does a frontline person actually say and do differently. What about that end cap will be designed so that the customer experiences it differently? What about the aisle width? Things like that translate into a blueprint that then makes sure all this investment you made turns into an experience that customers love. At the end of the day, what these steps do is help our clients really create customer advocates, customers who just love the experience. Now, the reward for that, as you know, is you get customers with higher expectations. So, but I'll tell you, if the biggest problem you have is having a set of loyal customers who expect more from you next year, this year, because you've done a great job, well, I'd argue that that's a pretty nice puzzle to try to solve.